gold isn't so challenging to get to find out with the right information. Purchasing gold is seeing a resurgence right after the economic uncertainty of recent years. A lot more people than ever before are embracing gold to guard their wealth, although not everyone understands how to make it happen properly. This short article will help anyone and everybody read about the market. Should you be selling gold? Then shop around to acquire a sense of what its true value originates from different companies. You will find a lot of venues for selling your gold, and so they each have different target margins. By permitting multiple estimates, you can be assured of having the most effective price. The top expensive gold could give you the concept that gold-filled or gold-plated jewelry is preferable. There is no need to cover full price for gold jewelry in the event that the prices offered by jewelry stores are extremely expensive. You can usually find more cost-effective gold jewelry online, or if perhaps you visit pawnshops. If you're contemplating mailing off some jewelry to a person, you should be sure you do your research first. Your package has to be insured, and you need to be aware of when you will receive payment. Have a photo of all of the items you are sending so there will be no questions later. Only buy gold jewelry from the seller when they have a return policy. It's possible which a particular piece ultimately ends up being improperly sized or just unappreciated by its recipient. In those cases, you should return the jewelry for a refund. Have your jewelry appraised before selling it in case you are unsure what exactly it is worth. It costs just a little, although the knowledge gained is valuable. You will want to hire a company who is accredited in gold appraisal to find the proper value of the piece. Understand that you probably will not receive the full appraisal price when you sell your gold. If you decide to mail your gold into a buyer, see how much mailing and insuring these materials will cost you and exactly how much you should pay to achieve the items mailed back to you, just in case you do not accept the buyer's offer. While businesses may claim shipping and delivery, they could also charge to send out the pieces back. Determine what this cost is prior to deciding to mail your items. Though gold buying could be thrilling, try not to talk much regarding this. You can't be sure who's listening or who is trustworthy. Keep your investments safe and secured inside a bank or home safe. This protects you together with your gold. Exercise great care when you're engaging in gold trading. There are lots of scammers from the gold market. Numerous shady individuals or perhaps business are set and ready to rip you off. You should do your research to help keep yourself safe. Know what exactly it is you really have. Simply because it seems like gold doesn't mean it's valuable. Usually gold is combined with other metals allow its strength. As a result, the value lower. Gold-plated items are at the mercy of this too. When you are not certain regarding what you possess, an appraisal before selling is smart. Check around before purchasing from a particular gold buyer. The different prices you receive might shock you. In the event you don't check around, you possibly will not get what you are owed. Take a little more time at the beginning so you've got the most return on your gold investment. You must rely primarily on independent, personal research to learn about the market for gold before buying it. There could be people claiming being market gurus who are trying to lure you into investing with them. However, you need to be careful about get-rich promises. Don't set expectations way too high and you also won't be disappointed within your gold investment. Usually do not sell any jewelry solely for its gold content without seeking an appraisal. This really is for pieces made out of fine craftsmanship. While you might get charged a small fee, it could get you more cash at a later time. Appraisers might know about parties interested in your jewelry. Those costume earrings you're holding inside your hand could possibly have real gold backs or hoops. Many rings and clasps for bracelets and necklaces are gold too. Because these pieces will not weigh a good deal, try selling them like a lot. You just might sell them for further like a bunch. Gold is certainly a volatile investment. It is important to understand that prices can vary daily on gold values. Even when you are willing to use on some extent of risk, you should take measures to reduce that risk. Never invest greater than a sliver of your total portfolio in gold. A great limit is 5%. You have to know the best way to test the grade of the gold you get. Gold's purity is identified in carats. Higher carats mean more value. You cannot just rely on the carat stamp. When you are aware how to test gold, you'll make sure you get high quality. If the value and sweetness of gold are the reasons behind buying it, you might want to buy 22-karat gold jewelry. This type of item is surely an investment in addition to being something you will enjoy. In the event the jewelry piece is especially well crafted, it can add to its investment value. Take care if you decide to get gold. Gold doesn't generate income, unlike purchasing bonds or stocks. Furthermore, gold's price could be volatile. When equities are devalued and gold rises, it is a bad idea to set a lot more than 5% of your respective investment portfolio inside the gold market. Due to the financial hardships across the world, gold has not only become more popular, however it has additionally become more important. With the right information accessible, it is possible for individuals of most economic strata to use gold as a good safe harbor with regard to their financial resources. Make use of the information above to direct you through your gold investments.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.